Hey everyone, it's Dr. Mike from Pappas Chiropractic, and today I want to talk to you about shoulder pain. So, as most of you probably already know, we treat neck pain, we treat back pain pretty much on a daily basis, but another condition that we really treat a lot of are shoulder problems. So the shoulder is actually the most mobile joint in the body, and while that sounds good, it also means that it's the least stable. So it's actually the most prone to injury in the body. We have a bunch of muscles and ligaments that are called the rotator cuff that's all surround the shoulder that allow it to do a lot of the motions and a lot of the things that we ask the shoulder to do. Well, because of the fact that we use our shoulders so often, and because a lot of the movements that it does have are really intricate and can cause some problems, we can a lot of times get injured. So I want to show you 2 exercises that you can do that will help rehabilitate your shoulder. If you injured it, you sprained it, or if you're just trying to make sure that you get all the range of motion that you can out of your shoulder. So they're both going to involve a wall. So you just wall right here. So the first one is actually trying to go overhead and trying to get that forward range of motion, but doing it without straining any of the muscles. So if you've injured your shoulder, if you have any rotator cuff problems or whatever, first of all, obviously ask your doctor, ask your chiropractor about what you need to do. If you are currently in physical therapy, I would not take any of this advice right now. Use it in the future. But if you're not, this is a great opportunity to, like we said, rehabilitate that shoulder. So what you want to do is you want to take your hand, just put your hand against the wall, and instead of using the muscles to actually raise your hand, you're actually just going to spider crawl your hand and spider crawl all the way up. And you want to try and keep that arm straight and really try and keep that shoulder as close to that wall as possible. But again, try not to use any of those muscles. Get it all the way up as high as you can go. And then you want to kind of slowly bring it back down. Again, not using any of those muscles in that shoulder. So the other one is actually to the side. So what you're going to do is you're going to step out from the wall a little bit. You're just going to take that arm and you're just going to slowly spider crawl it all the way up. Again, not using any of those muscles in the shoulder and just trying to get that range of motion to try and build it up. So those are 2 really quick, really easy exercises that we can do. If you're noticing that you have less range of motion in your shoulder, or maybe you recently injured it, recently sprained it, it really can kind of help rehabilitate that shoulder, really get those muscles and ligaments in that full range of motion that we really, a lot of times, lack in that shoulder. So if you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. Until next time, everybody have a great day.